Hello, I'm Siddhartha Serene and you are watching Youth for Work. Today we are back with another video on exam conducted by Punjab Public Service Commission for the recruitment of the most deserving, eligible and qualified candidates for state services and for other administrative services of the Government of Punjab. Punjab Public Service Commission handles the recruitment of civil and management services in Punjab. The duty of PPSC will be to direct recruitment on the behalf of defence, government servants and much more. They help in the framing of recruitment rules, advise government on promotion and the transfers from one service to another. We'll be giving you a brief idea about PPSC exam that will surely help you if you are looking forward to prepare for the exam. We'll be telling you about the exam and will share the exam pattern and tips to crack the PPSC exam.